Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and show you exactly how you're going to add products on your Shopify account. One of the major problems which a lot of people tend to face is that they don't know how to add products. And when they do add products, there's a lot of items that they leave out. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly what information you need to put in where and how are you supposed to put it and how you have to make sure that the information that you've put is relevant to the product or service that you're selling on your Shopify account. You can go to the description and click on the link to get 90 days free Shopify. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to the products. When you click on products, it'll take you to the next page. Now on this page, there is something very important that you have to keep in mind. The fact that you have the product vendor, the tag, the status, and more filters. The tags are very important to put, which I'm going to show you in today's video. Now, before you do anything, there's two methodologies that you can follow. The first one is that you can import the information or you can add a product. Now, you will only import information when you already have put all that information onto a file, which we are going to look at maybe in a later video. But today, I'm going to show you how to add a file directly. What you need to do is click on add a product, which would take you to the next page. Now, this is the most important page for your Shopify account because this is the page that will determine if your product is going to be successful or not, and if you'll be able to sell your product or not, because this is the information that will be shown to your customers. So you have to make sure that the title is very clear, describes what product you're selling, and the description is in detail. So we're going to select a product right now, and I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step breakdown of what you need to put and how you need to put it. So for example, we will select a particular product which is going to be an accessory for phones, which is the finger ring holder. So I'm going to put the title of this particular product over here. Now I've put the title finger ring holder magnetic phone holder. Now you have to be very clear in describing what the product is in the title because this is the first thing the customer is going to see. And if they're looking for a particular product and they see the keywords that are available in the title, that is the only time they'll be attracted to the product. The second and the most important thing is the description. Now there's a lot of options that are available. For example, if you click on paragraph, there's different formatting that's available. So it could be a lot of details. Now, the major thing that you need to keep in mind is the more information that you give about your product, the better your customer is going to feel. And one of the mistakes that a lot of young Shopify account builders tend to make is they give you a very brief description. That is wrong. They should not do that. What they need to do is go in detail and give the complete breakdowns of the requirement, the material that's being used, the uses of this particular product, and obviously the specifications of the product and the description of the product. So before they actually buy it, because as e-commerce websites are becoming the main source of income for a lot of individuals, the way a person describes the product gives the customer the essence and understanding as if they're holding the product in their hand. So the description needs to be very creative, very elaborate to make sure that they're able to give every aspect and cover every aspect of the product. Now, as you see, I have written the features of what this product is going to be. Now I want to highlight this, which I can easily do. I can make it bold. If I want to underline this, I can underline it as well. As simple as that. If I want to change the color, I can also change the color for this. You can check all the spellings as well to make sure that the spellings are correct, the spaces are correct, and the way that you have given and described it is accurate. Even furthermore, you can also add an image by simply selecting this option, or if you want to add a video, you can do that. And even more, you can also insert a table if that is required. Now, the next step is very interesting, and this is crucial because this is the fundamentals upon which a product is sold. That is the media. Now, there's a lot of different files that you can add, and you can simply add it by clicking over here, add file. And once you click on it, you'll be taken to the folders available on your computer. And from your computer, you can add the pictures that you've saved. Even you can add pictures from different URLs. After you've done that, you have to select the price for this particular product, and you can add whatever price you want, but I would highly suggest that you first do a comparison. You research, you find, and you look at similar products that are being sold on the internet on different platforms to ensure that your price is always competitive, and even if it's a couple of percentages less than the market price, so people would be able to buy from your store. You can also put the cost per item because then it would give you the ability to see the profit that you're making. And remember, the customers do not see this. As you can clearly see, if we add the item as 250, the margin is 50% and the profit is going to be 250. So all this work is already done for you on your Shopify account. Once you have completed the pricing, you can head over to inventory where you will add the SKU number. This is a number that is going to be very unique for your particular product. It will be reflected as this particular product. So please make sure that you select a unique number for your product, because when you add more products onto your Shopify account, you will need to add the SKU to ensure that you can always have a stock keeping available. You know how many of your particular products you have left. The next thing is that you have to add a barcode, especially if you're selling books. You need to add the ISBN number or your UPS or your GTIN number to ensure that there is a complete reference for the product that you're selling. Then you have to add the quantity and the shop location. Now over here, you'll put the amount of quantity that's available to be sold, and the location is going to be your shop location. Once that is completed, you have to check the shipping. Now this is a physical product, so you would be able to select the weight of the product. Remember guys, you have to make sure that you give all this information to your customer so they have a full understanding of exactly what they're buying and what the shipping cost is going to be and what the weight is going to be, so they know what is the best method to get the product and buy the product. And when you compare your product with other products which are similar in the market, your product would stand out, and that is where you will have a competitive advantage over your competitors. Once all of that is finished, you will have to put your custom information. Now the customs authority use this information to calculate the duties when shipping is international. That is shown on the printed custom form. So you have to make sure that you select the correct information of where it is being sold, how it is being sent, and where it's going to be received. The second thing is the harmonized system, which is the HS system. Especially if you're exporting and the quantity is very high, this is a requirement when you're exporting. So make sure that you put the correct HS number for your product. Now there's different options. That this product has options like size and color. If it doesn't, leave it blank. If it does, you select it and you put the information in for option name and option values. You can add more options as well, and after that is done, that information is going to be shown to your customer. Now as you can see over here, you have your search engine listing as well. So this is an SEO that's being done on Google. You can edit it as well and obviously put the correct page title that you want, put the meta description that you need over here, and fix the URL handle. Guys, you have to make sure, because it was the biggest platform on the internet and a lot of sales are driven from Google. So please make sure that you spend some time in adding the correct information to ensure that people, customers, individuals, anyone that is interested in this product will be directed to your particular store on Shopify. Once you've done all of that, all you need to do is save. Now, as you can see, they have added the finger ring holder magnetic phone holder, and you can add another product or view the product as an active status and even add a package for shipping. Once you click on view the product with an active status, you'll be taken to the next page where you see all the different products that you've added. As you can see over here, the status is active. The inventory is 40 in stock, meaning there's 40. And whenever one is sold, the inventory number is going to get changed. The type is a mobile phone accessory and the vendor name is available. It is as simple and straightforward. If you want to view it on your store, all you need to do is click over here and it will have a preview on the store. So let us go check the preview. This is how it's going to be shown on your store. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll be more than happy to support you, assist you, and guide you so you can add the right products on your Shopify account. And if you click in the description below, you can get Shopify for 90 days. If you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to add products on Shopify. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.